all of you know that very well, recently Internet Download Manager has made you many problems.
Hello, what's up everyone, I'm Tommy here, and after a long time I'm back to my channel. And in this video today I'm going to talking about how to download Internet Download Manager. And recently you know that well the Internet Download Manager is being very problem when you update it. So I will show you how to download this latest version with Ceack. So let's begin the show. So at first of all you have to disable your antivirus. Go to settings and type on here virus and threat protection. Just disable your real-time protection. And now you have to download the Internet Download Manager, which you can find in my video description below. I will show you. And this is the link which you can find this, and the simple download from here. And right now I would like to extract here. And then you can find this folder, Internet Download Manager. Just simply open it, and you can see this is the IDM, and you have to just install it. Next. And now finish it. And you can see Internet Download Manager has installed in your computer. Just simply close this. And right now you have to go this folder again, and you can see here has a folder the name of Ceack. Just simply copy the IDM and right button of Internet Download Manager and go to your file location and just simply paste on here. Replace the file, continue. And that's it. Your file has been cracked. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel if you want and stay with us. Thank you for watching this video.